Nurses at the Texas hospital where these two Ebola patients work. The situation right now is especially troubling. KPIX5's Ryan Takeo is live in our newsroom with how Bay Area nurses are blaming the hospital for how this was first handled. Ryan?
Michelle, the blame is being passed around. The hospital says the first nurse who got sick, Nina Pham, messed up. A breach in protocol, they say. And infuriated the nurses union, the National Nurses United, based in Oakland. The nurses' stories told through union reps paint a chaotic picture of how Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital handled the case of Thomas Duncan, the first person to die of Ebola on U.S. soil.
There were no protective gear. There was no gowns that were adequate to properly treat Mr. Duncan. There were no adequate masks and face shields to protect the nurses and other healthcare workers. He was not put into an isolation room for several hours.
The nurses are not only worried about the disease, but also losing their jobs in this blame game. Coming up at 6:30, we'll tell you how local Bay Area hospitals are working with the CDC to prepare in case Ebola hits. Live in the newsroom, Ryan Takeo, KPIX5.
The CDC says the second Ebola patient is in isolation and is being interviewed about any contacts that could lead to other potential exposures.